Very low float stock and very small cap stock Bxrx is has just pivoted from its 52-week lows of $0.30 on way above average volume of over 18 million shares and counting in this pre-market session of today, the 28th of September 2023. The gain is 93.5%, and you can see that graphically. This is the 1-minute chart on using Street Smart Edge. And the news is that the company announced today that the FDA has granted orphan drug designation to its lead clinical candidate TI-168 for the treatment of hemophilia 8 with inhibitors. TI-168 is the company's next generation FVII specific human regulatory T cells designed to reliably and effectively address hemophilia A patients with FVII inhibitors. So the FDA's Office of Orphan Drugs Development grants orphan status to drugs being developed to treat, diagnose, or prevent a rare disease or condition affecting fewer than 200,000 people in the United States. Orphan drug designation is designed to provide drug developers with various benefits to support the development of novel drugs, including the potential for market exclusivity for 7 years upon FDA approval, eligibility for tax credits for qualified clinical trials, waiver of application fees, reduced annual product fees, clinical protocol assistance, and potential qualification for expedited development program. So that's what we are looking at right now. The stock has just blasted off yesterday, printed in a 52-week low of $0.3, and even at that, it's well now it's not rallying. Okay, on this 1-minute chart, the projection is that in a few minutes time it's going to look up again. Like at some point it reached $0.6794, has pulled all the way back, and now at 0.5612. The gain is let's get it. The gain is 90% gain at $0.57. The news has just hasn't filtered through here on Street Smart Edge. Okay, let's get it. This is where the aggression is played out. 23.398 million shares and counting. Okay, so look at that. This is where you're going to see people taking up huge prices even above what it's trading at, because they don't want to, they don't want to miss out on this huge rally. But who knows? Is it going to continue to rally? 5.76. Okay, that's a lower price. Well, maybe it could also be a case of people taking profits there. 5.72 going, 0.5702. Still the same price. They're all going through at the market price. The volumes are increasing. Market participants are falling over themselves to get involved. We have 6 minutes before the market opens. Let's see whether we're going to hang around till the open of the regular session of today on Bxrx. Stock has been in a bearish trend for some time now. 92% gain now. We're seeing higher prices. 5.76, 0.576. That's higher than what it is right now. Yeah, 5763. That tells you that buyers, they don't mind paying high prices. They don't mind paying high prices for Bxrx at all. 5756. We've seen that hasn't printed yet. It hasn't printed here yet, but people are taking up the higher prices. They don't want to mess around. They can't wait around. They can't hang around to see if it's gonna drop a bit further. But here the folks here they don't mind. They're now waiting for lower prices before they get in. And these guys here are expecting higher prices. You can see that, projecting 0.6 to 0.1. Okay, it has dropped now. 0.562. It has dropped now, but these guys are, I can see that we showed here 0.605, 0.6063, 0.6099. So obviously these guys are trying to sell. They have positions in the stock. They want to get out, but they want to take a profit. They want a profit. these guys are, trying to see whether they can buy cheap. But this is where all the aggression is. The folks here are the ones controlling the market. They're responsible for the liquidity and every other thing you can probably. Price determination. This is where also some of that comes in. Price determination. When those who can, they place an order for a higher price or a lower price, and they probably cancel it before it goes through, and that tends to influence the price. So let's get the projections on this. Is the 1 minute chart for the stock. So there's an upper projection of 0.5739 and 0.5942, 0.6114, 0.6286, 0.6520, 0.6816, and all the way to 0.7691. Would it get there? Are we going to see retracement in when the market opens, which is usually the case? Okay, let's look at the 5 minute chart and see what's going on there. 5 minute chart, the stock is trading below all of its projections there. It's also projected to even drop. The 10 period moving average is projecting that the stock is going to drop all the way down, even below what it closed at yesterday. Okay, so but outside that, there are upper projections of 0.622. That hasn't printed on this 5 minute chart. Let's get that price. 0.6881. There's also some other prices we'll be able to see. 0.7297, 0.7556. Yeah, that's what's going on the 5 minute chart. Those are the projections on the 5 minute chart. So let's look at the 1 day chart. Nothing fantastic there, just sideways movement, and comes here, and suddenly the blast we are looking at right now. So nothing going on there, no projections. There are projections there, but because the stock has just been moving sideways for the last forever, as a matter of fact. Let's return to the 1 minute chart. We're counting down to the open. We have 2 minutes before the market opens. A minute and some fraction, a minute and a few seconds before the market opens. Let's return to the order book. We're just going to see probably 24 million shares now pretty soon. Let's get the average 10-day average for the stock. 10-day average volume. The this 10-day average is 92,594. So a lot of shares have exchanged hands in this pre-market session. 24 million shares, yes, going through. Yeah, I can see that batch of 200 shares all going through. Probably looks like a concerted order that went through there. We're counting down a few more seconds before the market opens. Yeah, we're seeing high prices, 572, 0.572. As we count down, it's lost some of those gains. The market has opened. Different market has opened now. losing ground. 80.33%. That's the gain now. So it's lost. I mean, this is expected. Normally we see losses coming when the market opens, or weakness, further weakness or retracement. So, but it has bounced back. 94.67, 97%, 98%, 99. This doesn't mean that it's not. It will not retrace. At 1.63, 85%, 81%, 80%, 78. So yeah, it's probably coming back. Okay, 26 million. So over 2 million shares have crossed the tape since just less than 4 minutes. Yeah, how crazy it is. Yeah, it's bouncing back again from 78% back to 90%, 91%. So highly volatile as well. But just be really careful. It's really vulnerable, very small cap stock, and it has a very tiny float as well. Yeah. Okay, see what you make of Bxrx, and thank you very much for watching this video.